Understanding the phrase, to venerate, a guide to advanced English. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we explore the fascinating world of the English language. Today, we're diving into a phrase that's not just beautiful, but also rich in meaning. To venerate. Understanding phrases like this can really add depth to your English skills, so let's get started. To venerate is a verb that conveys a deep respect or admiration for someone or something. This respect is often due to their age, wisdom, or their contributions to society. Unlike simple respect or admiration, veneration carries a sense of reverence, almost bordering on a sacred or spiritual regard. The word venerate has its roots in Latin, coming from the word venerare, which means to worship or to revere. Over time, its use in English has become less about worship and more about profound respect. You'll often find this word used in formal contexts, literature, and discussions about historical figures or cultural artifacts. Let's see how to venerate is used in different sentences. 1. Many cultures venerate their ancestors, holding their memories in high esteem. 2. The Nobel Prize winners are venerated for their exceptional contributions to science and peace. 3. The old temple is venerated as a sacred place by the villagers. These examples show how to venerate can be applied to people, places, or traditions. Understanding synonyms and antonyms can help deepen your understanding of to venerate. Synonyms: revere, worship, idolize, honor. Antonyms: despise, disdain, scorn, disrespect. Notice how the synonyms carry a sense of deep respect, while the antonyms convey the opposite feeling. I hope this exploration of to venerate has been enlightening and adds a new dimension to your English vocabulary. Remember, language is not just about words, but the feelings and history they carry. Happy learning, and see you in the next video.